Hello viewers, and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where we show you how to cook delicious and healthy meals, and we also show you how to do simple jobs around your house, avoiding the need for a tradesman. Now, if this is your first time watching any of our videos, we'd love to hear from you, so make sure that you leave us a positive comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe so you'll never miss the next video. Here we're going to show you a delicious and healthy stew beef recipe. Make sure you watch your video from start to finish, and also to leave a comment at the end. Now let's go straight into the video. So here is my beef. The beef has already been washed and drained, but there's still some excess water. So what I'm going to do is just use this clean paper towel just to sop up some of the moisture that is still left. So this is now finished, nice and clean. So this is some smoked paprika. Along with the smoked paprika, this is some cayenne pepper. Here I have some steak seasoning, dry jerk seasoning, this is some jerk seasoning paste. If you watch my videos, you know that I make my own green seasoning. This is it. It has 13 ingredients inside. So I'm just going to take a generous amount and just add it. Up here is some browning. It's like a food coloring. Just going to add a small amount. Okay, so now that this is now rubbed together, what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare some vegetables like spring onions, onions, garlic, stuff like that, and I'm also going to add it to the meat. These are some of the vegetables that I'm going to use as well. So I have green and red bell peppers, I have some orange, red and yellow pointed pepper, I have some ginger, some onions, spring onions, I have some garlic, and have some leek. So this is all my vegetables. I'm going to add it to the meat now. Now that I've added all the vegetables with the meat, I'm going to give it a good rub. Now that this is all rubbed in, I'm going to wrap everything up using this cling film, and I'm going to put it in the fridge and leave it until tomorrow. So I'm not going to cook this until 24 hours time. Okay. All the flavors is locked, you know, so this meat will be well marinated, ready to be cooked tomorrow. Right, it has been 24 hours since this beef was seasoned, still wrapped up and everything. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna remove all this wrapping, the wrapping now, and I'm gonna put everything in this pressure cooker. So this stew beef will be cooked in two phases. Firstly, I'm gonna pressure cook the meat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then after that I'll put it in the next pot. There's some more ingredients that I'm gonna add, and just slow cook it from there. Along with the meat, I'm just going to add a small amount of water, and I'm going to get the hob running. So you can hear that hissing sound. This meat or this beef has been pressured now for about just over 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do here is just to turn the hob off. The beef is still in the pressure cooker. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in this pot. So firstly, here is everything. Just gonna get everything in this pot here. As it is here, the meat is almost cooked, but I just need to add some more ingredients. So I'm just gonna get this hob running. Right, so as it is here, the meat is almost cooked. I have a few other ingredients that I'm gonna add to this delicious stew beef. Replace the lid and just leave it for a little while. Right, so as I mentioned before, there's some other stuff that I'm gonna add in to this stew beef recipe. Here's some fresh carrots. Along with this carrots, I'm gonna add some green peas or some garden peas. Here's the garden peas. I'm gonna add everything in as well. And that will give it some contrast. Just gonna give this a nice turn now and just leave this just to thicken up, and then in the next few minutes or so the sauce will eventually become thicker and it will be all done. Here is the stew beef. This is all ready. The sauce has thickened. You can see here, looks really juicy and nice. Just to show you how tender the beef is as well, I'm just going to use this fork. I'm just going to look how nice and easy the fork goes through the meat. This tells me that this is cooked. So I'm just going to turn off the hob now. So here is this delicious stew beef recipe. As you can see, I'm having it with some yellow yam, some boiled dumplings, some boiled banana. So I'm just going to have a taste of this beef. Look how tender this meat is. Wow. Let me have it with a piece of the yam. Wow. This is absolutely lovely. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.